If you're looking for the best Shopify free trial in 2025, this is exactly where you need to be. Right now, Shopify is offering a massive 90-day free trial, but you can only get it through my special link in the description. Don't go straight to the Shopify homepage. You'll just get the standard short trial. Use my link and you'll unlock a full 3 months completely free with all the Shopify features included. Let me show you how to get this Shopify 90-day free trial and set up your free Shopify store in just a few minutes. First, scroll down and click the link in my description. This is the only way to activate the Shopify free trial 90 days offer. If you don't use this exact link, you'll miss out. Once you land on the page, enter your email address and click Start Free Trial. I recommend using a fresh email that hasn't been used with Shopify before to make sure you qualify for the full trial. Next, you'll create your Shopify account by setting a password and clicking Create Shopify Account. Then Shopify will ask a few quick questions. Choose Online Store as your main sales channel, then hit Next. On the next screen, pick I'm not selling yet, unless you're moving your business from another platform like WooCommerce or BigCommerce. Shopify will then ask what kinds of products you plan to sell. Whether it's drop shipping, print on demand, handmade items, or digital downloads, Shopify supports it all. And if you don't know what to sell yet, don't stress. Shopify apps like AutoDS and AppScenic can help you find hot products that are already trending. Click Get Started, and now it's time to choose your plan. Go with the basic plan. It's perfect for beginners and gives you everything you need to run your online store. Enter your billing info to activate the account. Don't worry, your card won't be charged until after your 90-day trial ends. Then just add your business address and click Save. Once that's done, your free Shopify trial is fully active. You can start customizing your store, adding products, setting up payments, and even connecting with Facebook, Instagram, or Google for ads and marketing. Shopify makes it super easy to build your store even if you're a complete beginner. And before you launch, make sure to remove your store's password so people can access it. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Remove Password. Now your Shopify store is live and ready to make sales. Don't wait on this. Shopify doesn't offer this 4-month free trial all the time. This Shopify free trial 2025 offer could disappear any day, so if you're serious about starting an online business, now's the time. Use my link in the description below to activate your Shopify free trial right now and start building your store today. I'll see you in the next video.